Hello, Andy. This is Colin. I won't be able to get in tonight. I'm sweating like a pig. I'm sweating like a pig. I'm sweating like a pig. I'm sweating like a pig.
Hi, David here, One Up Gaming. Gonna have a quick unboxing now. So anyone that knows, we have the Temu thing, and with the Temu thing, that just means that I think we're a part of the Temu. Is it the Ambassadors Program? I can't remember what the hell it's called now. I'm really bad at remembering things. My brain is frazzled. But all that basically means is that we get a small amount of credit every month, and Temu allows us to select some sort of things, and we receive these things free of charge, and that basically just gives us a chance to make a video of stuff that we might not generally make a video of. And the last couple of weeks, month, 2 months, 3 months, something like that, I have been really getting into, without buying, candle maker sort of stuff. So I thought, well, you know what, we'll get our good friends at Temu and we will have a look at some of the stuff. So right, we will just slightly open this up, and cause I don't even know what we have got. So first of all, I think this is just a bag of soy wax. So this is good till October 1st, 2025. So that should last a little bit. Then, I wondered what it was. It looks like some sort of sex aid. It's a silicone mold. I think it's like a flower or something. I can't remember now. It just says silicone mold. I think you melt your candle into it and it makes like a little mold of a candle. And we've got another silicone mold. Now these are only about £1 each, so I'm not expecting great things from them. That one looks like it's like a rose head on it. So I don't know how you melt your waxy stuff in there and leave the wick. I don't know. You might have to drill a hole separate. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out when we start making things. And then we have this small box. It's a good job I kept my knife next to me. Right, so what is in this small box? So, wow. So we have a small bag, I'd ever guess soy wax. I have some tins, and that's so you can welt your wax in there and put your wax in. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what those are, little stands. More wax. All these wicks. Then there's pure essential oil. This one, does it say what let it smell it? I didn't see it. Apply caution, plastics. Just 2 essential oils, some wick stickers, and I believe there is like a little tiny melting pot in there. Oh, there is a little stirrer, tiny little stirrer. So I think that is like the little tiny kit. So there'll be more pictures of this up on screen soon. And I'll have a play around with this, and we'll get back with some like a couple of second video, probably like a short that'll go up to have a look. So all in all, I think it was about £25 ish for the full kit. The extra bag of wax was about £3, £4, and the 2 silicone molds were about £1 each, 80p a pound, that kind of thing. All the details will be up on screen or up on the description. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some fun with this. So it's been me, David, One Up Gaming, saying thank you all. Goodbye.